How can you turn off the reading receipts on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. Well, all these kind of things can be found in the main settings app by going to the apps section at the bottom of the list, where every single installed apps is going to have its own dedicated menu. So you can go to the messages right there, and all of the different things are going to be available, right? So you can change and customize all of the things which you can think of. And as you scroll down toward the bottom, you can see there is also a toggle for sending read receipts. So as you can tell, when this is turned on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. So you can enable it like this or turn it off. Depends on how you want to have it, but this is where you can find it. Naturally, this only applies to the blue messages, which is through the iMessage, because the green ones are over the carrier, which are the regular SMS texts, and those don't even have the option of read receipts to begin with. Okay, so that is for the built-in messages app and iMessage, but you can also do it for like different platforms. For example, you can check it out on Instagram or other messenger type of thing. So yeah, you have to like set it up specifically for each app, which can, or perhaps some apps may not even allow it. It depends, but it has to be done on app by app basis. So that's all that I really wanted to show you in this video. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.